Hi everyone, I'm Mandy, and today I'm excited to walk you through the Klim Spark Jacket and Pant, a trail-ready gear combination designed specifically for women who ride in cold, harsh winter conditions. This setup is all about staying warm, dry, and safe while delivering performance and comfort all day long. Let's start by talking about the outer shell. Both the jacket and the pant feature a 2-layer Gore-Tex performance shell, which means you'll get long-lasting breathability and solid waterproof protection. This is a unique combination that none of the elements get in, but also your own body heat can escape to keep you warm, but also importantly, dry. Klim guarantees it. You'll stay dry no matter what the trail throws at you. The fabric itself is a tough 150 denier polyester, the durable water repellent finish, and everything is fully seam sealed so no water is gonna get in. You'll also find 3M Scotch-Lite reflective material throughout the suit for visibility in low light. These reflective pieces are specifically designed so people can recognize you as a body that's on the trail. Warmth is a key on the trail, as you know. The Spark Jacket packs 220 grams of 3M Thinsulate Advanced Mid-Loft insulation, while the Spark Pant includes 200 grams. That's serious warmth without any bulk, perfect for high-speed, cold weather riding. If you do have a day where the temperature starts to heat up, you've got options. The jacket includes side vents with storm flaps, and the pants feature full-length side zips with double-headed zippers. This gives you the ultimate control over where you want airflow and ventilation depending on the temperature. The storage on the storm jacket and pant is trail-ready and smart. The jacket includes 2 hand pockets with storm flaps, so snow won't get in while you have to put your hand in them. It also has a Napoleon chest pocket. Right here you'll be able to see. Inside that pocket is a media port, and then the 2 jacket pockets include a key clip as well as a goggle chamois. The pants also offer 2 hand pockets with storm flaps, perfect for quick access essentials. Fit and comfort are where the Spark really shines. The jacket features an adjustable collar, adjustable cuffs with thumb hole gaiters, a bottom hem adjustment, and a comfort mapped brushed tricot liner. This is an absolutely just gorgeous layer inside that is absolutely so soft. There's also a powder skirt to keep snow out. The pants include a Velcro adjustment waist, Velcro boot gaiters, boot retention loops, and a non-slip adjustable suspenders, which you can either wear or take out since this is a pantsuit. You can also have the removable knee pads in or out depending on your preference. Both pieces include mesh hems and sleeve cuffs, which are perfect for water drainage, a critical feature if you're riding near frozen lakes. And with the 3M Thinsulate insulation and reflective hits, you're covered for both visibility and warmth. This really is the perfect combination if you want a warm combination on the trail. So why choose a Spark Jacket and Pant? You'll get a women's specific fit designed for warmth and ergonomics. And it looks pretty great. You'll also have water drainage features and peace of mind near frozen lakes. And the reflective materials will keep you visible on the trail in low light. If you're a trail rider looking for gear that's warm, dry, and built specifically for women, the Klim Spark Jacket and Pants are a perfect match. Thanks for listening with me today. Stay safe, stay warm, and enjoy your ride.